start out of the shelter this morning, about 7:30. If all goes well, I'll be hitting Klingman's Dome today. Look at that sun coming up. Beautiful. So I'm about 4 miles into the day. Might have to reassess going up Klingman's today. This is taking it out of me. This stupid cold is getting the better of me. So I'll get to a shelter, reassess, see how my legs are feeling, and we'll figure it out from there. But it's been a beautiful day. That's one reason why I kind of want to make it up and over today, because it's such a nice day. But I can't kill myself doing it, so I'll have to wait and see. But nice day. All of a sudden, come into a forest of evergreens. Pretty cool. And then I gotta keep going up that way. I'm about halfway up Klingman's Dome. What a beautiful day. Just walked through like a pine forest. It was all snow, but it was a pretty easy climb. I get to this spot and just look at that view. About a mile to the top of Klingman's. A nice break there. This is it. Highest point on the Appalachian Trail. I made it to Klingman's Dome. Such a beautiful day to do it. You can see just for miles. Sorry about the wind, but it's actually not too bad, but I'm sure you're hearing it. Unbelievable day. Now I just got to push out the miles to the shelter. It's only about 2:30, 3 o'clock, so should be no problem.